Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Fraud Busters project where we detect credit card fraud using. So fraud is a growing problem in financial transactions. In fact, what led us to consider this project is 2 weeks ago, my own debit card got hacked, and I wanted to learn a little bit more about how the banks detect fraud. Fraud's detected by considering unusual transaction amounts, frequent small transactions, geographical anomalies, unusual categories, and multiple decline transactions. The data set we used off of Kaggle, had just under 300,000 rows in it. It was highly imbalanced, and we had to deal with that. There were over 28 anonymized feature variables. We used Python, Pandas specifically, and scikit-learn for the machine learning framework. We deployed this in a Python notebook. This was our machine learning pipeline to detect fraud. We imported the data, we processed the data, we ran two different models, Random Forest and XGBoost. We compared the results. We considered Random Forest, that's an ensemble of decision trees, and then the XBoost model. So we did our data pre-processing, we applied SMOTE to balance out the data, and then we did an 80-20 train test split. This was the results. You can see that XGBoost beat out the Random Forest. We had lower false positives as well. Some of the challenges faced, we mentioned the class imbalance. The computational cost, XGBoost was much faster than Random Forest, and we also determined that feature selection matters. So some future ways we might improve this. Number one is this was kind of a static model. We might do real-time explainability and transparency, adaptive learning to kind of stay ahead of the bad guys, scalability, as well as API integrations. Thanks for watching.